basically philosophy of our product in Vega is not to just make smoked salmon a whole product from salmon. It's to combine our salmon product with other products to increase the prices and also the products to have a lower cost. The salmon is have very high prices sometimes, and to lower the cost of the products, then we combine other products with our salmon products in hot smoke, cold smoke, marinated, and find some solutions, food solutions for our products, for the retail market, food service market, and we think it's very important to show people that we have a unique product with a different kind of taste of not only salt and smoked, but we are combining a lot of things to have a unique product.